Okay guys, so we made it after all this time, and if you followed my channel you'd see we're here, but I haven't been here for about 3-4 years since I left Canada to China. My buddy's super excited, and this is Red Lobster in Shanghai, China. We're gonna get a table, we're gonna show you what it's all about.
For two? For two? No.
Right here?
I don't know.
Can we get a booth over here? Over here.
We don't have reservations.
We don't need it, right? Look at empty booth.
Oh yeah.
Okay, 谢谢你.
Oh, we did it.
We made it.
We made it.
We made it. So we're at Red Lobster, and we're gonna look at the menu, see what we like.
Get a beer immediately.
Beer right around, have
Want
a
a beer?
couple drinks, and then we'll dive right into it. So
Let's get a beer immediately.
Red Lobster in Shanghai, China.
Want to drop beer? That Goose Island IPA 38 or Stella 38. What do you want? I'm getting Goose Island. Oh,
So let's go through the menu quickly and see what Red Lobster is actually like here in Shanghai, China, since we don't have it in Guangzhou, and it's been time to start trying it.
We want to start with some drinks. No problem. Can we get one Stella and one Goose Island? No problem.
You will have promotion like get one buy one for free
Buy one, get one free.
tonight.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic! So, buy one, get one free tonight, so I guess I'm having 2 Stellas. Surf and turf. Red Lobster's normals. Appetizers. We hope they better bring us that warm bread. It's not Red Lobster without that bread.
I'm getting the ultimate feast. $2.98. Wow. I'm getting the ultimate feast. I'm spending.
Crab is a big thing, but you know what? You'll see what I order, you'll see.
I know what I like.
Wow, the desserts look awesome too, but we're going out to the bar after, so. So I'll show you what I order and what we order and some of that. That's, our experience here at Red Lobster Shanghai, and I'll tell you what I think about it compared to Red Lobster that I've had in Canada. And let's get it going. I'm gonna look more in depth into the menu. Check back soon. Okay, so the main thing where
Do you have the biscuits?
I take it for you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Sure. Four.
yeah, so we were waiting on the biscuits, and yeah, they do them here. That's a great thing.
We're out of.
Gotta get the biscuits when you come to Red Lobster. So now I'm setting myself up with my cutlery. Man, I've been waiting for this for a long time. We're both excited. He powered through it. Anyways, we're going. This is Red Lobster here in Shanghai, China. Beers are going. and you'll see what we ordered. You saw the whole menu I showed you, but let's go. Let's see the quality of it. Okay. Here's the bun. Ooh, steamy, it's hot. My fingers are burning. Let's do the taste test. Is it the same as back home?
It's literally the exact same. It's gotta be. Oh, wow. Oh, it is.
Consistency, the thickness, the stick to the top of your mouth. Let's say 99% the same. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same. We need this in Guangzhou. Please, anyone from Red Lobster headquarters sees us, bring Red Lobster to Guangzhou. People in Guangzhou love the seafood.
To be
Bring
honest,
it there.
even just bring it to Hong Kong. Bring it to Hong Kong is close enough for me.
Yeah, like, we need this. We need it. This is great. We had to come all the way to Shanghai to try it. Bring it to us. Anyways, we're waiting for our entrees to come. We'll check back in soon. So the food's arriving.
Send me to Red Lobster.
Woo!
Take pictures.
And then the ultimate feast over here.
Thank you. I gotta take a picture. Thank you.
Can we get more? Can we get some more biscuits?
No.
No.
Kitty.
Thank you.
How many do you want?
More
Maybe 4 more. Maybe.
more business coming. We got the ultimate feast here. We got my lobster, the beer, my hot butter. Look at that. Woo! I'm excited. We're gonna dive in, and you know what? This is great. We're not having Red Lobster for many years. I cannot complain.
Oh
Anyways,
my god, I'm fucking to drill this.
This is Red Lobster. Wait, I want to take a picture of yours too.
Okay.
This is Red Lobster here in Shanghai. Shanghai, China. So, you know what? If you're ever in China, Shanghai, then you want some lobster, come check it out. So, final verdict on Red Lobster in Shanghai. If you haven't been able to go to Red Lobster in like 3-4 years like myself, it's an amazing journey. It's an amazing deal. Like,
It was nice.
I'm in awe. My lobster was beautiful. The cream sauce, the mushroom was good. He destroyed.
It was nice.
We were gonna go out to the bar tonight, but actually, you know what? I'm falling
even walk.
asleep. We have beers here, and it was just so relaxing. It's a great thing. So, Red Lobster Shanghai, I give you a 9 out of 10. Right? Like, it's just nostalgic. The quality was great, and it holds up to its name, Red Lobster. Back home, I'd give it a 7, but here, when you haven't had it for a long time,
Well, it depends where you go back home.
great. So anyways, Hollywood, till next time, easy.